Some hot chicken wings. Other hot sauces are available. Yes, Mr. Trunk, but my stomach feels a little funny. I don't think I can have hot sauce. Hey everyone, welcome to Words Phrases. Today we're going to look at 5 phrases for making suggestions. Alright, these are useful phrases. Use them anytime you have to give ideas. So let's run through them. First off, we've got I think we should. How about? Why don't we? Let's. Maybe we could. Alright, here we go again. I think we should. How about? Why don't we? Let's. And maybe we could. Alright, all you need to know is I think we should, a little bit stronger, and maybe we could, a little bit weaker. And all of these phrases, you need to put a verb here. Alright, I think we should go. How about trying? Why don't we have? Let's eat. Maybe we could cook. Alright, let's have a look at some examples. Say we have to give some suggestions for dinner. Let's go through 5 with these. So the first one, I think we should have some garlic bread. How about making an omelette? Why don't we have Italian? Let's eat Chinese. Maybe we could have some hot chicken wings. Please note other hot sauces are available. Okay, now with the help of Mr. Trunk, we're going to look at those in some very small dialogues. So Mr. Trunk is going to make some suggestions and we can respond to those. Alright, so we can use them in any order, of course. Anyone remember? Mr. Trunk, what do you think we should have for dinner? I think we should have an omelette. Oh, I don't know, Mr. Trunk. Sounds a little bit boring. Okay. How about some hot chicken wings? Other hot sauces are available. Yes, Mr. Trunk, but my stomach feels a little funny. I don't think I can have hot sauce. Why don't we have some Italian? Oh, Mr. Trunk, unfortunately, I had Italian yesterday. Let's make some garlic bread. You know, Mr. Trunk, it's a good idea, but I have to go to work tomorrow, so I don't want to stink of garlic. So then, maybe we could have some Chinese. You know, Mr. Trunk, I think that's a great idea. I just fancy having a little bit of sweet and sour. So, there they are. 5 phrases for making suggestions. Use them, practice them, tell everybody your ideas. Okay, see you next time. Bye.